there's a scar, and every scar tells a story. A story that says, I survived, and I'm not what happened to me, or what I choose to be. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, my name is Rumaisa Muzaffar, a student of class 6 studying at Crescent Public School, Kulgam. Today on this hopeful day, I'm gonna host this talk show as it is the 10th episode of the talk show of Crescent Public School, Kulgam.
Sister, we are getting perplexed as we don't know what's the theme of our talk show. Can you tell us what's the theme of our talk show?
Yes, of course. The theme of our talk show is domestic violence.
Oh, that's interesting.
Okay, sisters, now this is the time of introduction. Introduce yourselves one by one.
First of all, I'm very grateful to you, Sister Rumaisa, that you gave me a chance to introduce myself. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is me Anjum Salha, a student of class 6 reading at Crescent Public School, Kulgam. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Well, this is me Hijabullah Deen from the grade 6 of Crescent Public School, Kulgam.
How are you feeling today as being a part of this talk show?
Today, on this serene day, I'm feeling very stoked and hyper to be a segment of this mesmerizing talk show. Today, on this hopeful day, I'm feeling so much grateful to be a part of this amazing talk show.
I'm also very thrilled as I'm also the part of this talk show. And I have some queries about domestic violence. I hope you'll satisfy me as well as the audience.
Yes, we will.
So let's start the question and answer session. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
So the first question goes to you, Sister Salha. What are your views about domestic violence?
According to me, domestic violence is the most horrendous kind of abuse suffered women in our society today. Domestic violence is the violence committed by someone in the victim's domestic circle. This includes partners, family, other relatives, family friends, etc.
Same question for you, Sister Hijab. What according to you domestic violence is?
According to me, every woman is bearing an emotional trauma. Domestic violence is often used as a synonym for intimate relationships against the other person. It can assume multiple forms like physical, emotional, religious, social, etc. Worldwide, the victims of domestic violence are mainly women.
सिस्टर सोलहा, जैसे कि देखा जाता है डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस ज्यादा तादाद में बढ़ रहा है. कुछ वायलेंसेस ऐसी भी है जिन्हें पर्दों के पीछे रखा जाता है, जिनको समाज के सामने दिखाया नहीं जाता है. Women are emotionally blackmailed. They do not get equality. They do not get freedom. So can you tell me what are the problems of domestic violence?
Yes, of course. Domestic violence is gaining notoriety each passing day. More and more women are falling victims to the social ill at an alarming rate. A central theme for the women's movement all over the world has been the violence against the women both in their homes and outside.
Sister Hijab, what are resources for victims?
Survivors have many options from obtaining a protection order to staying in a shelter, exploring options through support group. There are hundreds of local shelters that can be provide safety, counseling, legal help and other resources for victims and their children.
Sister Sola, how does economy affect domestic violence?
A bad economy does not cause domestic violence, but it can make it worse. Job loss, debt and other factors contribute to high stress levels at home, which can lead to domestic violence.
And Sister Hijab, what can we do to help against domestic violence?
Every person can speak out against the domestic violence. Every person can take individual action to create a supportive community. Members of the public can donate to state-wide, national or anti-domestic violence or programs, victims programs, assistance programs like NADB, National Network to End Domestic Violence.
Sister Sola, what is the law on domestic violence?
The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 is a given law that provides protection to women from man in household. It also provides that an aggrieved may also file a complaint against the relative of the husband or the male partner.
And Sister Hijab, what are sources for domestic violence?
Domestic violence abusers are not only a risk to their partners and family but also their community, while law enforcement officers are at an especially high risk of harm. Violence through by abusers can also lead to injury or death of everyday bystanders.
Dear viewers, domestic violence is the most horrendous kind of abuse suffered women in our society today. The data shows that 85% of victims are female and only 15% of victims are men. It can happen to anyone. It does not matter the race, creed, religion, etc.
A daughter is like the light of eyes. You're a daughter with heart and soul.
Because the father of all daughters is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, this was the end of today's talk show. Thanks for watching and keep in touch with us.